This video will outline how to create an employee profile in Gate 3. Ensure you review the time card's configuration settings that you have associated all the necessary position profiles and associated the employment company. Also ensure that your employee has been created and approved. Ensure you are logged into a project. Click the Start menu. Navigate to the Time Cards module. Draft Hourly Time Cards is your default view. Click on the New menu and select Employee Profile. There are three options when selecting an employee profile type. 1. Payroll option type will not be associated to your project billing. 2. Billing option type will be associated to your project billing. And 3. Both option type, which allows you to select whether a time card is billable or not. As best practice, payroll option is recommended. Fields with an asterisk are mandatory. The project employment status should be left as the default, active. Select the country of employment and province. Employee start date on a project is a mandatory field used to automatically initiate the generation of time cards for the employee. Select their start date on the project. Click Select Employee. An employee is mandatory in order to save the employee profile. Use the filter text boxes to search and locate the employee. Once you have located the employee, click the radio button next to the employee number and click Select Employee. Click the Select Company link. An employment company is mandatory in order to save the employee profile. Use the filter text boxes to search and locate the employment company. Once you have located the employment company, click the radio button. Then click Select Company. Click the Position Profile link. Ensure that the union positions are linked to the project. As a reminder, the employee pay is tied to the position profile. Selecting the incorrect position profile will affect the welfare benefits of both employees and their union. Once you have selected the position profile, click the Select button. Navigate to the Payroll Salary subsection. This section becomes available if the employee profile type is payroll or both. Depending on the unit of pay, the system calculates and displays the payroll rate from the associated position profile for hourly employees and the payroll rates for salary employees. The payroll rate adjustment field can be overridden on a project basis. The rate entered is for the duration of the project. As a reminder, when making changes to the payroll rate, a pay rate change form must also be sent to the payroll department. Once completed, click the Save icon. A confirmation message will appear confirming a new employee profile has been created and saved. This document will now trigger workflow if applicable. Once approved, you will be able to create the time card for the new employee. You now have a better understanding of how to create an employee profile in Gate 3. The next steps is to create a time card. This concludes the video. Thank you for watching.